Chris, we'll be making you brand new wall art from these agate coasters.
Oh wow, those are coasters?
Yeah, these are coasters, aren't
Beautiful.
they cool?
Yeah, very
Do you know
good.
what agate is?
It's a stone, right?
It's a natural stone. The thing that I love best about it is all the color gradients that can be seen, I mean, really from far away.
Beautiful.
So for this project, we'll be inserting the coasters right inside of these shadow boxes.
Okay.
I will give you one of these shadow boxes. We can flip this over. We'll just be removing the backing.
Okay.
So all we'll need to do, Chris, is lay our fabric down. Using this backing template, let's make a mark right around the border. So the next step is to remove our backing, set that aside, and then now that we have our grid lines, we'll just cut that right out.
Okay.
So the next step to get this fabric down is to use a glue gun.
Okay.
All you need to do is press gently on that lever,
Okay.
and you'll make a little glue dot right in the four corners.
Okay.
So once we have our glue set down,
Okay.
we'll just place the fabric right over the glue.
Okay.
Okay, so we want to press down the four corners. Make sure that it's tight and taut so that we don't get any wrinkles in the middle. So the next step is to glue our coaster directly on the center. You want to make sure to steer clear of the clear areas
Okay.
because our glue will show through.
Of course.
So I would say glue just right in the center,
Okay.
and I would just eyeball the center.
Okay.
Press down firmly right in the center. That glue sets so fast, so
Right.
we want to move fast. Okay, Chris, let's hold this up and see if it's secure.
Yeah.
Do I have your seal of approval?
I think so. That's gonna be okay.
Next step is to get this backing right into our frame.
All right.
So let's flip this over.
Get on in there.
Yes.
My masterpiece.
How's it
All
look?
right, looking pretty good.
Okay, so for our final step to keep these frames sparkling clean, we'll be using Homemade Simple multi-purpose spray to clean this all off.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so let's hold this out and check out our masterpiece, Chris.
Okay.
What do you think?
I'm digging it. I like it.
You love it? Doesn't the blue just add that pop of color we need?
It definitely does. I love blue.
Thanks for watching, and remember to tune in to Homemade Simple with me, Layla Ali, Saturdays at 9 a.m. on OWN. And remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.